Cooking Filipino spaghetti today. That's cheese for spaghetti. This is Del Monte spaghetti sauce, Filipino style. This is I'm gonna add into there. And that's the spaghetti stick to put on the spaghetti sauce with minced beef. That's spaghetti minced beef. This is what I'm gonna mauna niyang spaghetti, guys. Look, it's already cooked and ready to serve.